Okay, beta. So today we will do solution of first weekly test. I will cover English portion. Therefore, Sir Najaf will cover GK. Sir Shayan will cover your science, and I hope you have covered mathematics as well. Okay. So English section. Okay, beta. The first section is known as synonyms. There are 5 synonyms. Okay, beta. As you know, synonym mean to say same. Synonyms mean to say same word. There will be a word and there will be another word. Both meaning would be the same. But word on the meaning mana chaundi same udi. Beta, here we have talked about abundant. What is the synonym of abundant? What? Claim. No, not that. Option A continue, option B claim. Undone. Abundant mean to say beta विच में कम छड़े जण वधिक ताई खबर आ केड़ो सब्जेक्ट छड़जी होयो छे नहीं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अगर वो टीचर हो जे ताके पढ़ाई विच छड़े दे, समझो इट्स अ सिनोनिम ऑफ abundant. Clear? Next, abbreviate. Beta, what is mean by abbreviate? Abbreviate mean to say shorten. Okay, beta, abbreviate mean to say shorten. So there is another word. Let me write. Aggravate. Beta, aggravate mean to say lengthen. Claim is not option. I have taught you in your first lecture claim was the incorrect option. So I have told you about the abundance of synonyms. The abundance of synonym is known as undone. Clear? And the antonyms are continue, keep. Clear? Okay, beta, next. Beta, abbreviate mean to say shorten and aggravate mean to say long, lengthen. Clear? Next, abhor. Beta, abhor mean to say to hate someone. Nafrat. Next, able. Beta, able. What is the synonym of able? Competent. Kabil. Next, beta, align. Align में ना दोस्तानो, friendly. So it's a present friendly. Somehow जो क्वेश्चन हो सर यो किथे आ मुझे बाबा सबर कर synonym में थोड़ा चेंज किया लेकिन same. Okay, now go ahead with the antonyms. Okay, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay, what is the antonym of abolish? Establish. Beta, abolish mean to say to cancel out, to destroy something. It means का government आता उनके खत्म करो. Clear? लेकिन इतने तान की चीज़ है abandon. Okay? Next thing, abolish. Abolish mean to say establish. Antonym of abolish is establish. काशे ड्राइंड, काशे ठांड. Next, beta, absorptive. Permeable. Absorptive. Okay, the synonym of absorptive is permeable, but the antonym of absorptive is impermeable. जे काशे resist करे. Yeah, I am coming, Mr. Najaf. Just 5 minutes. Okay, accept. What is the synonym of accept? Refuse. Okay, what is the synonym of accept? Synonym. To approve. Okay, good. And what is the antonym of accept? Refuse. Good work. Next, accord. What is mean by accord? Agreement. And what is the antonym of accord? Dispute. Good. Conflict. Disaccord. Okay, 10th one is align or alien. Alien na beta, align. Or it's known as alliances. Alliances mana dostano. And what is mean by alliances? Huh? The synonym of align is friends, but the antonym of align is rivalries. Dushmani. Huh? Dushmani. Rivalry. Dosti, dushmani. Next, fixed prepositions. 10 fixed prepositions. Okay, but before that, there are spellings. Beta, as you know, synergy में spellings नहीं दान 5. Okay, so first spelling is abhor. A-B-H-O-R, abhor. Next, acknowledge. Beta AC, then put the spelling of knowledge. Clear? Next, accommodate. A-C-C-O-M-M, accommodate. Clear? Next one, agriculture. Agriculture. First of all, you have to say A-G-R-I, agri, then put the spelling of culture. Agriculture. Next, ample. A-M-P-L-E. Done? Now let's talk about fixed prepositions. Okay, there are 10. Shh, just be relaxed. Okay, number 1, he was accused of theft. He was accused of thief. Okay, they are afraid spiders. They are afraid of spiders. Good. He is angry friends. With his friends. Good work. Do you believe ghosts? Do you believe in ghosts? Clear? She is capable she is capable of. Try to memorize, mug out. Okay, beta. Next one, he is interested. Good. In, not at. City is famous Next one, I'm worried exams. I'm worried about exams. She is responsible for this blunder, mistake, and so on. 24 done. 25, 25th. This painting is similar that one. Similar to that one. Okay, beta, done. Tomorrow we will study about the second lecture of preposition, specific preposition, and it will be the last lecture for specific preposition. Therefore, we will start tenses. Then we will study about preposition of time. Clear? Okay, beta Bakhtar, we will conduct your test. Wait in this class. Okay. Okay, who is next one? Beta, you as well. Get the test from Sir Najaf, and at the end you have to change your test. Therefore, you have to leave. Who is remaining? Nobody? Okay, have a good day. Thank you.